Step into a moment where creativity feels limitless, where the spark of an idea doesn't wait for skill, time, or tools. Imagine waking up, whispering a thought, and watching it turn into a sketch, a song, a prototype, even a film. That's the world unfolding around us right now. And as breathtaking as it is, a haunting question lingers in the background. Are AI tools elevating human creativity or slowly replacing it? Today, we dive into 10 insights that reveal the truth, and the answer might surprise you. Let's start with the giant wave leading it all. Generative AI now generates $59.01 billion in revenue, taking 24% of the entire AI sector. It feels like a creative superstorm, ideas forming instantly, concepts evolving at the tap of a key. Yet even with that power, only humans can add emotional weight, the depth that turns content into connection. Writing comes next, and the shift is staggering. AI writing tools generate $2.19 billion, up from $1.75 billion the previous year, at a 25% compound annual growth rate. Tools like Jasper boost productivity by 40%, turning long drafting hours into minutes. But storytelling still thrives on the nuance only human experience provides. In visual creation, the transformation is equally dramatic. AI image generation now produces $376.8 million in revenue, with DALL-E alone supporting over 1.5 million active users. Anyone can visualize an idea instantly. Even so, human artists remain unmatched in cultural symbolism, emotional tone, and the ability to create art that resonates across communities. Music has its own digital renaissance. AI-generated music has reached $740 million, rising from $569.7 million the previous year, using a 30% compound annual growth rate trend. AI VA and similar tools compose full tracks in minutes, helping musicians work faster than ever. But the soul of music, the kind that stirs hearts, still lives in human expression. Film is evolving too. AI video generation sits at $4.55 billion today, with tools like Runway and Sora slashing editing time by 70%. Creators who once needed teams now produce studio-level visuals alone. Yet no model fully understands narrative tension, pacing, or the emotional rhythm that directors master. Software development, once purely logical, now blends creativity and automation. AI coding tools are valued at $7.37 billion, with 85% of developers using assistants and 41% of code generated automatically. Still, humans guide architecture, ethics, and innovation, shaping tech with intention. In marketing, AI drives a massive $26.99 billion industry. Personalization platforms like HubSpot AI lift engagement by 20%, predicting what audiences want before they ask. Yet brand authenticity, the trust that keeps customers loyal, still comes from human storytellers. Design tools follow closely. AI design is worth $6.77 billion, with Figma AI transforming early sketches into high-fidelity prototypes in seconds. But designers emphasize that quality improves only when AI is balanced with human intuition, empathy, and lived experience. Then there's ChatGPT, reaching 800 million monthly active users and contributing $13 billion in revenue. It has become a global idea engine. But even as it drafts and brainstorms, human creativity adds the twist, humor, and personality that spark engagement. And finally, Midjourney. With 20 million registered users and an estimated 15 million active creators, it has created an avalanche of AI art. Still, human curators determine which creations hold cultural weight. Across all of this, the pattern is clear. 78% of organizations now use AI for creative work, while 65% of younger users combine AI with their own ideas. Designers say AI improves outcomes only when guided by intuition, and developers warn that 41% automated code risks homogenization, unless humans push boundaries. Everywhere you look, the real power comes from collaboration, not competition. So here's the question. In a world where AI handles the volume, will humans still define the value? Maybe creativity isn't being replaced, it's being multiplied. And now the spotlight shifts to you. If AI can amplify your imagination instead of limiting it, what extraordinary thing will you create next?